Hey everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am getting ready to make another batch of cucumber melon, and I am using my green apple mica from BeScented. I had just made another batch of this, so you'll probably see the videos back to back. The only difference in this video is I kind of stick blended a little bit more, so the batter was a little bit thicker, so the swirls were a little bit more defined. But other than that, pretty much the same batch of soap. I decided to add a little bit more green apple mica there. And what I do with this batch, in case you didn't watch the other video, is I add a little bit of TD to a part of the batter, and that way the color is basically the same. It's just a little bit lighter version of it, and so I think the colors really contrast nicely with it, with each other, and it's just kind of like my signature style on the cucumber melon. And I'm going to go ahead and get the batter ready. I'm going to go ahead and plop it all in the mold, and I'll bring you guys back for the cut.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be in the great.
Alright, got everything in the mold. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up, and then for some reason I cut the video out, but what I did at this point was I did texture the top with a spoon just to give it a little bit of texture because it was a little thicker, so just kind of wanted to do something nice. So there you can see the texture, and again, I put the soap in the oven for about 24 hours, didn't turn it on, just let it, reach full gel, and it pops out of the mold super easy. And here you can see, here's a couple of the bars. You can see the nice contrast in the colors. And I do like the top, gives a little bit of added contrast, a little bit of interest instead of just a flat top. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, have a great day, and I will see you on the next video.
Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.